Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use the drill press. So first of all, we're going to put a bit into this drill press right here. So on this drill press there is a guard that has to be flipped up, which protects what's called the chuck, and inside of the chuck is where we're going to put this drill bit. So on this machine I have it out of it already, but it's called the chuck key, so it gets pushed in there so we don't lose it. And this is used to loosen and tighten the chuck. So you can actually loosen it a little bit with your hand to start, just to get the jaws open. So I'm opening it enough. I slide the bit in about that far. I can tighten it to the right with by hand. But again, we're going to use this special chuck key for this drill press. We're going to put it in this hole and then give it a couple good tightens to the right until it won't move anymore. It's kind of locked in those jaws. That means it's tight and it's good to go. So just make sure, again, visually check and make sure the drill bit is nice and straight. So that can be put back there so we don't lose it. This guard has to be pushed down. Then we can look at our workpiece that we're going to drill. And what I've done here is I've marked an X. So you want a very particular point for the drill press where that bit is going to hit the center. So that's why I usually mark an X. You bring it up to the drill press. In this case, the piece is big enough where I can use my left hand as a clamp. If it's smaller or you're not very comfortable using the drill press this way, you can use a C-clamp and clamp it to the table. It has to be secured in one of those two ways though. Then what you do is grab the handle. I want to walk around this way. So without turning it on, you can bring the handle down until it touches the mark. So you have to be very precise on this. So the tip of the drill bit is touching the middle of the X, and then I just bring it down until it makes an indent into the wood. Now I try not to move that either, so then the drill bit will follow into that spot when I turn it on. So to turn it on, this switch up here is a little bit different than normal. You have to flip it up and then flip it open, and then it exposes the green button. So the green you push on, it'll turn it on. This will drop automatically, which is okay, and then to turn it off, you simply push that. When you grab the handle, I'll probably grab this one actually, because as I'm going around, you want to have most of your force up at the top so you can push through the wood. So I'll start drilling now. So you'll kind of hear a different noise when it gets into this part of the drill press. So just double check, make sure you went all the way through. It's normal for the drill bit to make it not very perfect, I guess, on this side, but on the face side it should be very good. There's how you use the drill press.
Thank you.